me, okay, Garmin.
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
He's still going.
He's pulled over though.
Sharon, finish. Once I got off the air, I saw Sharon McCaddy. She ended up winning 2 hours, 19 minutes, and 59 seconds for the women. She's out of Kenya. And then it was Jess McClain for the U.S. Very good. She was 7th overall, 2 minutes, 43 seconds. She was the top American female to finish. So Jess McClain, congratulations with 60s gold.
Hello, this is Peter Newton Herman.
Yeah, buddy.
Got him. Right behind him. There you go. Yeah. Got him. Get him.
It's hard to divorce the murder of Charlie Kirk from everything else that we've been seeing for so long. I mean, it's very difficult to not draw the direct dot, not merely to the recent horrific murder of the Ukrainian refugee in Charlotte, where the man in custody apparently said, "I killed the white girl and got the white girl," whether it's transgender adjacent shootings in Minneapolis, Minnesota, or Nashville, Tennessee 2 years ago. I mean, you go back even further than that, whether it was Nicholas Rockwood, a man from California who flew cross country to Maryland with a zip tie and bought a handgun and showed
pull over. .442 CGS. Hey! 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 He just hit me! He just hit me!